Hello, and welcome back to DevOps Quick Bites, your friendly guide to all things Salesforce DevOps. I'm Rob Cowell, and today we're going to dive into the second part of our Git version control exploration. So in part 1 we covered the basics of Git and how it helps us manage our Salesforce projects. But in this episode we're going to explore Git branching, and I'll walk you through a practical example of how to handle merge conflicts in your Salesforce development process. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. So let's start with Git branching. In Git, a branch is essentially a separate line of development. It allows you to work on different features or fixes in isolation without affecting that main code base. For example, the main branch is usually the production-ready version of your project, so you create branches off the main branch to work on new features, fixes, or even little experiments. This way, multiple developers can work on the parts of their project simultaneously without stepping on each other's toes. Now, when a feature is complete, the branch can then be merged back into the main branch. Let's walk through a simple feature branch example. Imagine we have two developers, each working in their own Salesforce orgs. Each starts by creating a new branch from the main branch for their respective orgs. So developer A creates a branch called feature short text to update a text field to have a maximum length of 50 characters. Meanwhile, developer B creates another branch called feature long text to update that same text field but setting the maximum length to 100 characters. Each developer makes their changes in their respective orgs and commits them to their branches. Developer A finishes first and merges feature short text branch into the main branch. Now that merge goes smoothly since there's no conflicting changes in that main branch. Now here comes the tricky part, merge conflicts. When developer B tries to merge the long text feature branch into the main branch, Git identifies that that same text field has already been added differently in the main branch, resulting in a merge conflict. Merge conflicts occur when Git can't automatically resolve those differences between two branches. And this is common in collaborative environments where there's multiple developers that might be working on the same part of the code base. To resolve the conflict, developer B needs to manually decide which changes to keep or how to combine them. This could involve choosing the changes from one branch and merging them together, or even just modifying the field to accommodate both sets of changes. Once that conflict is resolved, the changes can then be committed and the merge can be completed. So after resolving the conflict, the feature long text branch is successfully merged into that main branch, and the project can include updates from both developers. So as we've seen, branching and merging are powerful features for Git that allow the teams to work efficiently on parallel tasks. But as the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility, and that is careful management, especially when dealing with merge conflicts. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that's been useful in discovering all about Git merges and branches. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification icon to stay updated on all things Salesforce DevOps. I'll see you on the next episode. Bye for now.